hurt. That was hot. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is part 2 out of 3 on cutting my fenders and building the wide body kit for the Mini Cooper. So today my buddy Kevin helped me out and let me borrow his hacksaw. So today we're gonna be cutting. I have some help today. Marlo's right there. Look at him, swole, sexy. Oh yes, look how sexy he is. Look how he walks, guys. Oh, kimochi. Anyways, we're gonna be cutting up the fenders right now. So I'm gonna put it on time-lapse mode and see how I'm gonna be doing this. But for now, we are gonna be cutting this whole thing right here. So the front is done. Finally got it cut. As you can see, there's no more like this. No more like that. It's looking good. So now we're gonna tackle the rears. My main concern is my gas tank right there. One of the tubes. I'm afraid that might hit it, but it looks like it's gonna be far. So what I'm gonna do is gonna go up right here and just start cutting piece by piece. Daily. Guys, Marlon got some cash. Daily. And help him find a daily. Comment down below if you guys got cars for sale. He'll take your money. He'll take your car. You can take his money. But we're gonna finish this, and then we're gonna start with the taping, and hopefully start molding it. So, car is the fenders. All the fenders has been cut. Only thing I have to do is actually cut this right here. I don't know if I should cut it or not, but it's not interfering when I air, like whenever I drive the car, whenever I'm on my ride height. By the way, this is going to be my ride height. I know you guys are probably going to be bashing at me with this ride height because it's like stupid high, but the reason why I'm going to be doing this is because I'm running a 265/50 15, and I don't want to be rubbing. I'm already rubbing when I'm turning, so I have to cut some right here, just a little bit, or might just notch it, just hammer it, so I don't, you know, whenever I turn, it doesn't hit my wheels or my tires. And then I'm going to be cutting this to match up right down here. But whenever I air it out, this is not interfering with my wheels or nothing. All I have to do now is just cut a little bit more and hammer slight a bit so my turns can fully lock. So after that, we're going to be starting the molding process. But this is all I'm going to be doing for today. So in the next sequence, or in the next part, I'm going to be starting the molding. Alright, so it is another day, and I decided to start cutting off camera, and I kind of went overboard on it. So I think I will be clear. Well, I kind of went all the way up, like from here down. I started cutting from here and worked my way down, but I cut like small pieces on this side right here and just start hammering and went to it. So as you can see over there, they're all cut in small pieces and then hammered, and then here it's cut all the way down, and I start hammering over here. So I think I will be clear. And make sure whenever you guys are done cutting and hammering, you know, you'll get scratches all over here if you use like a hacksaw or like a sawzall, whatever you got, or an angle grinder, whatever you guys call it. Make sure to put like spray paint on it to protect from rusting, so you'll be okay. I think I might just need to hammer a little bit over here. That won't be a problem. So I'm going to continue this on the other side, and then I'm going to start molding pretty soon. Don't worry, guys, it's getting there. I promise you guys, it's getting there. I promise. Ah, damn it. That hurt. finally done. Let me zoom it out. Yep. Finally done. Holy crap. That was tough. At least I got all one chunk piece. So, as you can see right here, I finally got everything cut where I spray painted it. Now I just gotta tackle this right here. What I'm going to do is just small cuts and then just hammer everything up to the top. So that's gonna get boring. I'm not gonna put it on time lapse. I'm just show you guys the end event, the end of the results for that one. Man, that was tiring. Shout out to Starbucks. Alright, back to work. So, after cutting, putting back the wheels in, and then finally I get to air out the car and see, well, actually turn the wheels left and right first and see if I'm actually hitting or clearing. So we are going to find that out later on. The rears, I might tweak a little bit on the rear, maybe just cut a little bit over more, and then I think I'm gonna be set. Maybe. It's coming along. Like, I've never done any wide body kit before, let alone molding a wide body kit. I don't want to spend, well, I was about to spend some $300, $400 for a pair of flares, but, or even $3,000, which I'm not going to pay $3,000 worth of plastic. I'm sorry, but you know, if you want to support business, go ahead and support it. But if I want to make some content, I'm building one wide body kit for the R50 Mini Cooper. But we'll see. And this is the last part. Just cutting the small pieces like I said on the other side and hammering it just like this right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there you go. You can see it much better. Just cut small pieces and just hammering it. So now we are going to put the wheel back on. I'm gonna go focus on the rear after that, but I've already started putting tape up. As you can see, the rear is gonna look like that, and the front, you know, it's gonna look like this too. I feel like I'm running a marathon. Holy crap, look at that. Hashtag gym life, whatever they call it, but hashtag work on a f***ing Mini Cooper, hashtag wide body kit, hashtag nobody gives a f*** about this build, hashtag I don't give a f*** what you say. But yeah, it's almost done. So now we're gonna put the wheel back in, focus on the rear, start molding. I'm gonna air out and then start molding. I feel like playing like 3 rounds of basketball, or 4 rounds. I can't even run. I'm fat, I'm flat-footed, so what's running? But time to focus on this. So, car is finally started, and what do you know? Full lock. Boom! Barely, just barely. Look at that thing. Right there. That's full lock right there. We look down. Oh, butter, butter. Yeah, this gotta go. I'm so excited. Yes, we can finally start molding the over fenders of the car. So I'm gonna go air out the whole thing, and we're gonna start molding. So let's get to it. Later. So it is finally that time with my blue masking tape and my leftover fender well, or over fenders, whatever you guys call it, to start masking and molding today. So I'm gonna start masking and molding today, and the next time I'm here, I'm going to be shaving some stuff off. So with that being said, let's go get started with the front. I know the front's going to be challenging. The rear's not bad. It's not bad at all. Front is the challenging part. So let's get started. Well, that was quick, but y'all probably wondering, do I have to lay fiberglass right now? No. So how am I going to do it? Well, Great stuff. The gaps and cracks insulating foams. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray all the way around here, all the way to the top of that blue end of that blue line, and then after that, when it hardens, add more. You know, you just keep adding more if you're satisfied with it, and then that's when you start sanding down, then lay the foam, the foil tape, and then that's when you start doing fiberglass. But sun's about to go down soon, and it's 5 o'clock. I gotta go pick up my wife soon, so I'm gonna do just this side and see how it looks like, and then we are going to finish it off on that side, and then we go on the other side. I decided to start the rears too, and now it's taking shape. Both of them are taking shape, and I'm so happy it's getting there. I kind of went overboard on this one. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker. Let me go over here real quick. Yeah, as you can see, it's thicker over there, over here, than over there. But we're gonna be sanding them down on the next video and start getting shape of it with the fiberglass and all that. So you can see my hands are just all gooped up with filler gap. Ugh. I need to wash my hands soon. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today. I might start sanding on the next video, but so now we are gonna head back home and, you know, just relax. So I'll catch you guys back home. So we're gonna go later. And we are back home, and I just took a shower and shaved a little bit, so I feel pretty good. I need Red Bull. I need Red Bull really bad. Cheers. So I laid out the mold, or the foam mold for shaping out the over fenders, and then after that I'm gonna lay fiberglass on it. Let me put you guys up in the tripod or into the mount real quick. So let's go. Alright, that's much better. So today in this video, we foam molded for the over fenders, we cut the fender well, and I think we did something else I totally forgot. And also, yo, you forgot something. What? Your package. What package? Oh, thank you. SoScare showed up. Shout out to SoScare. I ordered some stuff from them. And don't forget that I still have a giveaway going on with SoScare that is worth $100. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button because you get a chance to win $100 worth of merch from SoScare. That being said, let's see what they gave us in this package. They didn't give me this. I paid for this. I totally forgot what I ordered. So, ooh, good packaging, man. Brown paper bag with a thank you sticker. That's actually pretty cool. All right. Oh, I got a letter. Shout out to SoScare. If you guys don't know SoScare, their merch is really good, and they gave me some extra stuff. They gave me this cool little SoScare sticker with an anime crying, I think, or mad. SoScare holographic sticker or decal. This is what I ordered: a SoScare white banner that would go in my car for sure. Oh, I didn't order this, but they sent me this. Don't be scared to build something that brings you joy. You're right. That is pretty good quote right there. They gave me this. So don't be scared to build something that you enjoy. I like that. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this. Thank you, SoScare. And I also ordered a pink tee that is for my wife, SoScare Social Club, with this in the back. That says inspire and appreciate, or inspire X appreciate. That's actually pretty neat. And I also got a matching one with my wife, my size, of course. That's the extra large. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, that's nice. I actually want to wear it real quick, so let me switch it out real quick. Oh, it's actually comfy. I can see my muscle. All right, switch back to my old clothes. Oh, perfect. Oh, one more thing. I got this I love you lanyard. because for all you supporters, I love you. Shout out So Scare. Thank you for sending me some extra goodies. Don't forget the giveaway is ending on August 29th, which is my birthday. But you have to follow the rules. You gotta like this picture right here. I'm gonna put a picture right here on my ugly face so you guys can see. You gotta like this picture. You gotta follow So Scare. You gotta follow me. Also, you gotta subscribe to my channel and get some free merch. It's $100 free merch from So Scare. I paid So Scare. Don't worry. The money's already given to So Scare. They gave me a code. I'm not gonna give you the code until I pick a winner. So whoever wins the 1K subscriber giveaway from So Scare, I will give them the code and they can splurge $100 worth of merch from So Scare. It's free to subscribe, guys. It's free. Literally. Like, look at this. It says I love you because I do. I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, supporting the channel. I appreciate it, you guys. So in the next video, I will be shaving the mold and I will be laying fiberglass in the next video. So stay tuned for that. With that being said, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later!